How you guys doing? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a rotor pick. Rotor pick is designed to pick dimple locks like this one. This one is particular 06. This one is 50. This one is 08. This one is 260. Yes, no, 206. I'm sorry. This one was, and this pick goes in different keyways. Now I'm going to show you a little trick about this pick. I see a lot of guys taking this screw, they put it here and they use it as a tensioner. This is not what is this designed for. This screw actually helps you to pick a lock. What I mean by picking a lock, let's say I'm picking the lock to the right, and by accident, let's say I'm gonna overset the pins on purpose right now, all of them. I'm gonna try, and when you overset them, basically they overset. Now you need them to drop. That means you have to let the tensioner go. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is push this screw to the left and the pins drop. So I see a lot of guys taking this screw, put in here. Don't do that. Just leave the screw in there, pick a lock. If you